This is an update for the Craftsman. It's being lifted up and customized. Extended the fenders out about 5 inches on each side because the tires are going to be out in like here. Welded the running boards back on because they won't ever need to come back off, hopefully. I've been working on this front suspension. I have control arms just like on a four-wheeler, and I'm using four-wheeler front hubs with brakes. I don't know if I'll be able to use the brakes. In the rear, I'm going to use a stock rear end widened so that I can run four-wheeler tires. I have my battery box here, which it'll probably have to be moved for the gas tank to work. I've got all this 2x4 frame with these towers to mount everything up to. This front end has these braces on it. There's some of my welds there. This other side isn't done yet, but hopefully within the next week I will have the whole front end done on it. So hope you like this, and there will be more updates.